Hello students, welcome to online learning platform of LK Group of Schools. Here, today's topic is factorization for class 8th. Today, we are going to learn about factorization. First, we try to understand what is the meaning of factorization. Factorization, the process of expressing a given polynomial as the product of two or more polynomials. Suppose there is given a polynomial is a monomial that is 2ab. So we can also factorize it and we can write it 2 into a into b. This is the factor form of any polynomials, right? Suppose we can also understand this by doing or taking an example. Suppose we are writing over here 6. 6 can be written 2 into 3 as we know that, and 2 and 3 are the factors, right? So here we can understand by seeing this example 2ab can be written as 2 into a into b. So 2ab is factorized into the basic or smallest form of this factor, that is 2a and b, right? Next, factorization by taking out of common factor. How can we do factorization of binomial or trinomial terms or expressions? Suppose there is given example that is 15a square b and 15ab square, and we have to do factorization of this. Then what we have to take that? First, we have to take the common factor of the numbers. So here is given 15 and 5. And we know that in these both numerals 5 is common factor. So we will write 5 over here. Then after we will also have to see the variable part of these two terms, that is a and b. We can also see over here a and b are two terms which are common in both terms. So a or b can be taken out of the bracket. Now what is left inside the bracket? So we have to divide 15 by 5. Whatever the common factor, we have to divide the internal numbers. 15 divided by 3, we will get 5. So we have written over here 5, right? Okay. Next is like suppose, so what is left over here? 3. So 3ab is the first term inside the bracket, and inside suppose we are talking about 5ab square. Here suppose we are taking out 5 as a common factor. So what is being there? There must be 5 divided by 5, and we know that is 1. So 1 shouldn't be written before b, right? And suppose we are talking about now that is ab. So what can we see over here? We can see over here a and b both are common, and what is being there? The minimum power always be taken out, and suppose here is written a cube, then what must be there? Okay, one thing is left over there, that is a, because a is common, so that's why a square should be here. I haven't written, sorry for that. So 3a square b is there. One more thing, that there should be b, there shouldn't be b shouldn't be here because there is only b. And what is written over here? The b, 1b is left over there. So what is the actual answer? This is wrong. I am writing an actual answer, that is 5ab in bracket 3 has to be taken, 3 has been there, and also a raised to the power 2, and b also has been taken out, so b shouldn't be there, and then 5a is common, so that's why, and b also, so 1b is left. So this is the correct answer. I hope that you people have understood. Next, that is factorization by taking out of common factor. We have done this one. Now this has to be cut. Next one topic, that is try to understand factorization by regrouping the terms. Suppose here are given 1 2 3 4. There are given 4 terms. 4 terms are there, and we have to, how can we do that? So first we have to regrouping it. Regrouping means that first what you have to do, that they are already grouped. 2 के group में we have actually divided it. 2mn and 4mn. 2n has to be taken out, as previously we have done this. M plus n, 2n has to be taken out. What is left inside? That is m plus 2. and here we can also take 7m plus 14. So what can be taken out? That is 7, and what is left inside the bracket? That is m plus 2. Now the common bracket has to be taken out, that is m plus 2, and what is left? 2n plus 7. Fine. Okay, so I hope that you have got it. How can it be the factorized? And this is the factorized form. Next. Now we are taking method of finding out SCF by SCF of monomial. Suppose they has given a monomial term. This is a monomial, this is a monomial also. Now we have to taken out the SCF. We know that SCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor means first we need to find out the common factors. So first we need to write this monomial and this monomial in the factorized form. So 5a square y can be written as 5 into a into a into y, right? And 7ay can be written as 7 into a into y. So now what should be the SCF? The SCF means we have to taken out the common factor. 5 and 7 both are not common, we cannot take it. Then after a and a is common, so we have written over here a, right? And another a is here, but here is not another a, so that's why we cannot take a as common. Now y is here, and also this one is a y, so y also has been taken out. And then after getting product of a into y, you will get ay. So what is the SCF of this? That is the SCF is ay, right? So now we can easily understand, we can find out the SCF of monomials by taking out common factors. By taking out common factors, right? Okay, so I hope that you people have got it, how to do these questions, right? So here this is the ending of the class, and I hope that you have got how to find out the SCF and many more things, right? Thank you so much. I hope that you people have got it. Thank you.